I love what I do. I was always fond of welding right from high school. And then to actually work on stuff like this, it's a big confidence booster, I find. The apprenticeship program is great because you spend majority of your time in the shop making money, and you spend a short time in class, but you also take that learning and bring it back to the shop. It makes me feel proud because I'm like one step closer to my goal as a Red Seal.
It's important to hire apprentices because I feel like if you can give your apprentices the best, they will always give back to you the best. And in turn, you have a symbiotic relationship with your company. Being in the position that I am, it's very fulfilling for myself to be able to pass on my knowledge to the next generation. That's what I enjoy about work.
Mentorship is really important because they're the people that push you to become a better person and to reach your goals. Especially being First Nation, like an Indigenous female, I find it's important for us to thrive. You come into an environment like this and there's no negativity around.
A lot of times when you go in to start anything new, there's going to be those insecurities and you're going to be afraid, and that's part of my job. I want people to have the skills and abilities to be successful in their trades and in life.
My advice for others that want to be in the apprenticeship program, it doesn't matter what trade, just go for it. My future here is to inspire the younger generations that you can get into a trade. It doesn't matter what trade you want, the opportunities are always out there.